Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to remove green screen background from a video easily with Filmora. We can remove a green screen background with a few simple steps, and I will show you how. First, open Filmora app on your PC and create a new project with a new project button. Next, import your green screen video and your background video to the project media. Drag the background video and green screen video to the timeline. I'm gonna cut the video here so the background video matches with the green screen video. To remove the green screen background, you have to right-click on the video and choose Edit Properties. Or you can just double-click on the video to open Edit Properties window. Next, click on AI Tools and activate the Chroma key. You can customize the offset, tolerance, add thickness, and add feather. After that, click OK. And the green screen removed from your video. Easy. You can play the video to see the result. Okay, that's how to remove green screen easily with Filmora. Hope you like the tutorial. Let me know what you think. If you have a request, feel free to comment. See you on the next video. Thank you.